Hello everyone, I am Shivansh and today I am excited to present my personal AI assistant, PowerSTEM. PowerSTEM is an intelligent system designed to understand commands and perform real-time actions, just like a smart assistant, but totally built from scratch. You may be wondering what PowerSTEM stands for. PowerSTEM stands for Powerful Integration of Science, Technology, Engineering and Mathematics. So let's talk about the problem and the idea behind it. In today's digital world, we rely on multiple apps and tools for performing several tasks such as opening websites, searching, getting information, and much more. So I thought, why not create a single system that can handle everything efficiently? This idea led to the creation of PowerSTEM. PowerSTEM has an ability to convert speech to text and text to speech. It also has an ability to make scripts, speech, etc. And it can also help you out in making your documents and also in making your presentations. Now, let's take a demo of PowerSTEM. Let me ask a few questions to PowerSTEM and let's see its response. Now, you can see here a microphone button. When this button is clicked, PowerSTEM activates a voice input command and shows listening. Hello.
PowerSTEM, hello. How can I help you today?
Now, let's ask few more questions to PowerSTEM. Like, now I am entering a command in text mode. Who is Narendra Modi? As you can see, when I entered a text command, PowerSTEM also gave a text output, not voice output. Now, let's talk about the capabilities and the features of PowerSTEM. PowerSTEM is capable of performing multiple tasks such as opening websites instantly, launching applications, answering questions accurately, fetching real-time news, and even engaging in natural conversations. Much more are the features of PowerSTEM. Now, let's ask PowerSTEM to open websites. I will be accessing the voice command open YouTube.
PowerSTEM, opening.
While developing PowerSTEM, I faced several challenges that helped me improve both the system and my own skills. One of the main challenges was ensuring that the assistant understands the command accurately. Sometimes similar words or unclear input could lead to incorrect actions. Refine the logic to make it more accurate and reliable. Another challenge was integrating multiple features into the system. Managing tasks like operating websites, fetching information, and maintaining smooth performance, and a careful structuring of the code. I also worked on improving the response quality, making assure that assistant provide clean and useful answers instead of unnecessary information. This is just a beginning. PowerSTEM is designed to be simple, smart, fast, and intelligent. PowerSTEM has more such interesting and amazing features, and in the future, I plan to enhance PowerSTEM with advanced voice recognition, smart home integrations, AI-based automations, and a complete personal assistant ecosystem. My goal is to make PowerSTEM smarter, faster, and more human-like. So now, let's talk about the working logic of PowerSTEM. PowerSTEM works by processing voice or text input, understanding the commands, and then executing it using predefined logics and APIs. PowerSTEM has a very powerful database and also has many other layers in it. If you found this project PowerSTEM interesting, do like this video and also follow for more innovations. Thank you so much for watching this video.